I just found a really cool old horseshoe buried in the mud. We'll leave that here for somebody else to discover. I found a cow elk skeleton. It's 1 p.m. and I'm walking the dark timber, the lodgepole pines. Your best chance to see elk during the middle of the day are going to be the dark timber. I just walked up on a cow at about 40 to 50 yards. She didn't see me, but I couldn't get a shot. These lodgepole pines are so thick you could see them behind me. She eventually knew I was there and took off. Now I just stumbled upon 3 elk skeletons within about a 50-yard radius. So here's where a couple were killed last year. Looks like a cow skull and a bull skull. You could see where they sawed the antlers off the top. Most likely that was an ethical kill, probably 2 hunters hunting together, and they probably saw a herd of elk and killed 2 elk, because if it was a poacher they more than likely would have taken the entire head. You never know, but there we go.